So I'm gonna show you how to make this Doodle t-shirt, and I guess I would consider this actually a little bit of a doodle and typography t-shirt, but I made this one for my wife. She loves espresso martinis, and she also loves like the elegant classic vibe. I got a little espresso martini club on the front, and I made this in December. I was looking to the future. And so I made this established 2025 because I'm smart and I love her and I wanted to do something cool and neat and fun for her, which this came in today, and it was actually right on time because she's actually not having a great day today. And so I'm gonna give this to her when I get home, and hopefully it'll be a nice cozy shirt for her. Now the doodle sketch style, sometimes it can be a little difficult to find. If you're on Pinterest, you can type in doodle sketch, or conceptual sketch is actually a little bit better of a search term, which is what we've been doing to find a little bit of reference work for this kind of style. Naive illustration is also a very similar key search term that you can use when you're searching in Pinterest to find these. Honestly, the key is to just not try really hard when you're making these sketches. Just don't think about it and just kind of like press down and like draw something very, very messily.
Wait a minute, hold on.
Messy, with messy intent, then you're just gonna vectorize it. So like this illustration, Duda, if you don't know who Duda is, she runs our social accounts and also does a couple of videos on YouTube here from time to time, but she drew an awesome set of like cocktail glasses and wine bottles and like champagne, like just this awesome doodle set, and just drew it on her iPad, and then you put the PNG into Kittl, and then you can click and vectorize it. Now, please don't use, oh, I don't have an iPad as, you know, an excuse not to try this out. You can literally just grab a piece of paper or a napkin and a Sharpie, draw something very similar to this, take a picture of it with your phone, put it into Kittl, and vectorize it. I would make sure that it's a white piece of paper, a white napkin, whatever, and then black marker. And if you vectorize it as one color, it's gonna take the darker color, which in this case would be black. And then boom, you have your naive conceptual sketch. And honestly, it might even look better drawing it physically and then vectorizing it, because it's gonna have that personal character and it's not gonna look too digital and cold. So this is my setup here. Feel free, please, like steal this layout. Just 100%, just steal it.
Oh, she's stealing!
This is Kittl script, and the fonts are Archivo. I like the combination of Kittl script and Archivo. It's very elegant and also modern. Like Archivo is kind of a modern web font, but it looks elegant. It doesn't look too digital and cold. Like it looks like it has some class, kind of an old money font type deal. So please, literally, I want you to steal this layout to try it for yourself.
Go get her, go!
Let's just do Kittl script on top, Archivo on the bottom, and then two side things, and then you can have your naive sketch illustration right there. So just to prove it to you, I'm literally going to draw something right here, right now. I'm gonna draw a little wine bottle, and it's gonna look like garbage because I don't drink wine, I drink bourbon mostly. Actually, that one's really bad. So I'm gonna draw actually a little set of flowers, and like I said, I'm not gonna try too hard on these. You know, maybe I can change the text to say like Fresh Flower Club or something. You just gotta get creative with it. So here is my doodle, boom, right there. Here is my phone, literally proving this in live time. Picture, done. We're gonna airdrop this over. And here is my picture. So what I would do first before vectorizing this, and I need to clean my fingernail, goodness sakes. I was shipping out orders this morning and slinging boxes around and taping stuff, so evidently my finger got a little dirty, sorry about that. The first thing that I would do is use the background remover to make it just our doodle, and then I'm going to vectorize this as one color. There's our little naive illustration. Get rid of that, get out of here. I don't even really like espresso martinis that much. And this is gonna make things a little bit different. So I need to bring this text up probably. And I could change this text right here. Fresh Flowers or Flower Club. Established 2025. And then like you could change the text to say like the ingredients for a certain bundle or arrangement of flowers. That would be super dope and cute. But yeah, there's so many different combinations of this style that you can do, and it's literally so easy. You don't have to be an amazing artist or an amazing illustrator to do this because it's supposed to look kind of janky and wonky. I think the point is to not spend a lot of time on it. If we're all being honest with ourselves, if we could spend less time doing stuff, we're winning. Comment down below if you found this helpful. Pick a club. Are you in the Fresh Flower Club? Or are you in the Espresso Martini Club? I would be in the Flower Club specifically because I don't like espresso. So if it was the Aviation Club, like a nice gin drink, I would definitely choose the gin club over the flowers any day of the week. But pick a club, Flower Club or Espresso Martini Club. Let us know down below in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the Kittl YouTube channel if you have not already. And again, thank you guys so much for watching.